students. Today we are going to discuss a fresh chapter, India, size and location. India, size and location. It has achieved multi-phased socio-economic progress during the last few decades. It has moved forward, displaying remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, industry, technology, and overall economic development. India has also contributed significantly to the making of world history. Now we are going to discuss about the location of our country. India is a vast country, lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. The mainland extends between latitudes 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north and longitude 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east. The Tropic of Cancer divides the country into almost two equal parts. To the southeast and southwest of the mainland lie the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea respectively. India is the seventh largest country in the world. Now we are going to discuss about the size of our country. Size. The landmass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometers. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. It is clear from the graph, India is the seventh largest country in the world. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 km and the total length of the coastline of the mainland, including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep, is 7,516.6 km. India is bounded by the Yangfall Mountains in the northwest, north and northeast. South of about 22 degree north latitude, it begins to taper and extends towards the Indian Ocean, dividing it into two seas, the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on the east. The latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland is about 30 degrees. Despite of this fact, the east-west extent appears to be smaller than the north-south extent. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours. Time along the standard meridian of India 82 degree 30 east, passing through Misafur in Uttar Pradesh, is taken as the standard time for the whole country. The latitudinal extent influences the duration of the day and night as one moves from south to north. India's location is very helpful to connect other countries in the world. India and the world. The Indian landmass has a central location between the East and West Asia. India is a southward extension of the Asian continent. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia provide a strategic central location to India. No other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has, and indeed it is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean which justifies the naming of an ocean after it. India's contacts with the world have continued through ages, but her relationships through the land routes are much older than her marine contacts. These routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas and commodities since ancient times. The Indian numerals and the decimal system thus could reach many parts of the world. The spices, muslin, and other merchandise were taken from India to different countries.
India shares its boundaries with some other countries in the world. Now we are going to find out the neighbours of India.
India's neighbors. India has 29 states and 7 union territories. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Our southern neighbors across the sea consist of the two island countries, namely Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Palk Strait and the Gulf of Myanmar, while Maldives Islands are situated to the south of the Lakshadweep Islands. India has had strong geographical and historical links with the neighbors.